Hey guys, welcome to Webentor, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can remove background noise from your audio and enhance it. To do that, just go to Adobe Podcast. Just click on this first link. Then go to Tools and click on Enhance Speech. Now just drop your audio here. So I have a sample audio, so I will just upload this audio here. And now wait for some time. Okay, now it's done, and now I will show you how the actual audio was.
Hey guys, welcome to Webentor, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to remove background noise from your audio and enhance your audio quality.
This is how the actual audio was. Now I will show you how the enhanced audio look like.
Hey guys, welcome to Webentor, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to remove background noise from your audio and enhance your audio quality.
So once you're done, just click on this download option and your audio will start downloading. Thank you for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Bye.